Today we are going to take a look at our waist-safe fixed height aluminum 2-inch drop hitch, WSFH 2-2. This can be purchased along with the waist-safe stainless steel tow ball. The 2-inch shank is rated at 10,000 pounds gross trailer weight. Begin by inserting the shank into your vehicle's receiver and securely locking it into place with our hitch locking pin. To install the hitch ball, start by inserting the 2-inch hitch ball main shaft into the ball mount and attach the lock washer. Once the lock washer is in place, put on the fastening nut. Fasten it as tightly as you can with your hands. Then take 2 1.5-inch wrenches and tighten the nut to 100 pounds-foot torque. Please note that the ball mount can be used in the rise position, but the gauge will only read tongue weight in the drop position. For quick conversion from a 2-inch hitch ball to a 2 5/16 hitch ball, place the stainless steel 2 5/16 clamshell converter on top of or over the 2-inch ball and close tightly. This clamshell, WS07, can be also purchased separately. The warning sticker reminds you to not leave the clamshell inserted on the 2-inch hitch ball when not towing. The clamshell should fit snug while it swivels to reduce corrosion and wear and tear. This product meets SAEJ 684 VESC regulations and is V5 compliant. Your product is now ready to tow. Enjoy your waist-safe towing peace of mind.